In this video, I'll be designing a digital banner with a particular design, with a particular dimension, which suits for my business. That dimension may be in the pixel or in the centimeter or in the inches. So for that, before starting this, all you need is go to the Post to My Wall website. So just visit to this site and click on the first link, and you'll be able to see the first windows. And on the right side, in a create a design part, you have to click on the start from the scratch. Yes, and now you are able to see all with a dimension with a particular design over here. So here, suppose suppose I need for my business, I need a dimension that is 1500 is width and 300 of the height. But what I can see here, I am not able to see of that such kind of pixel, such kind of dimension over here. So what I can do is I can just click on the digital display and let me modify this site, modify this size over here. Yeah, so I don't want this big huge one. I need for my digital uh, banner for my website, I need a very little one. So what I can do is I can just click on the size and I can just scroll down, and I don't want all these sides. I need my own dimension. So for that, I can just go to custom link, and what I can do, I can just make it here. I need a 1500 width and 300 a height. So just click on the resize. Yes, now you are able to see the particular dimension over here. Yes. So now you can select the images, or you can add some shapes over here, and the text and media and the layout, and also you can also change the background. So now the condition is that I will be creating a very simple of some software IT, some image, some digital banner. So what I do, I'll just go to the background. I need, yeah, I'll be selecting an image. So let's upload it. Yeah, so I can just select the my image for that my business. It's about, we are cropping it. Yeah, so this is what the background, and I here I don't want this picture, or I have to do some color modification. In the right hand side, you can just go to the tiny option, just enable it so it becomes somewhat dark. And also you can change the opacity over here, and also the brightness you can change, you can make it dark or the light, and the contrast you can change it here. Yeah, and I want to add some text over here. So click on the text and click on the plain text, and let me add IT software solution, a simple one. Yeah, so let's increase the size. Yeah, and if you want, you can add get digital. Yeah, it's a very simple design. Suppose I want a background of only for particular this IT software solution. Then what I can do is I can just click on the elements and add shape. Let's select a shape of any some rectangle. I'll be selecting, and change the color of this. Let me make as blue. Yeah, you can select over here. You can see here there is a outlook. I mean, the outer border is somewhat different color. So let's come down, and here you can just select of the same color. Click on the blue, and now it is same. You can just increase the size. You can just complete over the background here. Yeah. Let's delete and add it from again the plain text. IT software solution. One more text. Cat digital. You can add as many text over here. Let me increase the size. Or you don't want this outer background, then you just click on this color. It will be you can also modify the color over here. Increase. Yeah, so that's what you can do it here. If you want the background for this with a different color, then you can just scroll down and click on the background and click on the color, and you can see there is a color change over here. You make it as you need, and if you don't want any color, just go back and make it as transparent. Yeah, this is what you can make it. Let's start making of some any other banner with a different design. So what I do is just go to the background and make it as transparent, or you can go to the gradient color and go back to the same color, click on apply, and this I'll be deleting of this. Yeah, so now let's start add some different headings over here. In the text I can just add maybe you can add like it 80%. Can add it. Let's increase the size. Let's add let's increase this. You can drag this and you can add another tag saying that contact. You can change this color by this. You can specify the design. Design. Also, you can decrease the size. Let me decrease this. Yeah. And let me change the color. Let it be linear. Yeah, so this is a way that you can make it with your particular dimension sized of the any digital banner